Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for this week's CVS deal. I would like to say a special thank you to everyone that's been supporting my channel, coming back every week to watch, support, like and comment. And if this is your first time here, I would also like to say thank you. If you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section. I don't think I say this every week, but whatever deals I put up, I make sure I leave a Google Doc in the description box or in the comment section. So if you need something that you want to print out and take to the store, I always have it there for you. So make sure you check it out. First deal I'll be sharing will be the spend 30 get $10 back on P&G laundry or paper products, and I'll be showing you two ways to do this deal. The first option will be to pick up the Tide detergent priced at $12.99. That's the sale price. Pick up two of the liquid ones, or if you want the Tide pod, you can pick up one. You can mix or match whatever way you want. And to get to 30, pick up one of the Tide antibacterial fabric spray on sale for $5.49. I have this $1.25 that I got from coupons.com. It's still available. I printed out two because every coupon you can always print out two. And for the Tide liquid, you can get one from P&G website, and we have one in our app if you have not used it yet. All three items will come up to $31.47. Using all the coupons I mentioned, you will end up paying just $23.97, get $10 back, making all three of them $13.97 or $4.60 each. Another way to do this spend 30 get $10 back all digital will be picking up the Charming tissue on sale for $8.99. Add the Bounty paper towel, also on sale for $8.99, and we have $1 digital coupon for each one of them. To get to 30, pick up the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99. All three items will come up to $30.97, and when all the digital coupon apply, it will bring it down to $25.97. You pay that and get $10 back, making all three items $15.97 or $5.32 each. And if you have a next purchase CRT, this will be a good deal to add to it. The next deal will be on the Dove deal. It's on buy two, you get $2 back, and it's a limit of one. Pick up two of the Dove body polish on sale for two for $14. We have a $3 in our app that will apply to this. That will bring it down to $11. You pay that and get $2 back. Then submit your receipt to coupons.com for $3 back on the second Dove. And also submit your receipt to Ibotta to get $2 back on each one of them, making both items just $2 or $1 each. Next deal will be on the Real Techniques. It's on spend 20 get $10 back. I have no coupons for this, and I don't think there is any coupon out there. But if you have a next purchase CRT or a percentage of CRT, this will be a good deal to add it. Pick up the one priced at $19.99. That's within the 98% rule if your store follows that. You have to pay that and get $10 back, making it just $9.99. The next deal is another cosmetics deal. It's on NYX. Buy two, get $6 back. Pick up the lip liners priced at $4.39. Two of them will come up to $8.78. You pay that and you get $6 back, making both items $2.78 or $1.39 each. And I think this is a good deal to add if you have a next purchase CRT. Or another way to do this, if you have the 2 off of 10 NYX CRT, pick up one of the lip liners and also a lip gloss. The lip gloss is priced at $5.59. Both items will come up to $9.98, which is within the 98% rule. Using the 2 off 10 NYX CRT, you pay $8.98 and you get $6 back, making both items $3.98 or $1.99. The next deal will be on the Revlon Cosmetics. It's on spend 15, you get $5 back, limit of one. Pick up two of the Color Stay eyeliner, priced at $9.99 each. These two items will come up to $19.98. Use a 6 off 2 Revlon coupon from coupons.com, or if you still have your digital, you can use that as well. because we've been getting this for a while now. If you still have your 5 off Revlon instant CRT that we received last week, apply it to this, and also a 4 off 20 Revlon CRT. That will bring it down to $4.99. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items free. The next deal is not giving back any extra care box, but it's going to be a good deal, especially if you add it to next purchase CRT. The Little Critter Vitafusion Gummy Vitamins or Fibers are on sale for buy one get one half off. Pick up 2 of the ones priced at $9.59. One will be full price and the second one will be half off. Both of them will come up to $14.39. Using the 10 off 2 digital coupon everybody's supposed to receive today, it will bring it down to just $4.39 or $2.19 each. The next deal will be on the Palmolive dish soap. It's on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 of the ones priced at $4.99. One will be full price and one will be half off. Everybody's supposed to receive a $1 coupon in our app today. And also check your 5/7 Smart Sauce. There is a 75 cents off coupon there that will also apply. It will bring it down to $5.74. Pay that and get $2 back, making both items $3.74 or $1.87 each. The last deal will be on the OGX, Maui, Aveeno, and Neutrogena hair care. It's on sale for buy one get one 40% off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the OGX Biotin and Collagen shampoo and conditioner. Whichever way you like, you can match it. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and we also have a 3 off 2 paper coupon that you can get from coupons.com. It's still available. I have a 4 off of 14 OGX hair care CRT that will help bring it down to $7.86. Then I'll get $4 back, making both items $3.86 or $1.93 each. This concludes my deals for this week, but I'll be doing my haul later on in the day, so make sure you check back to see what deals I actually did, and also don't forget to print out the Google Doc if you need that, and I'll see you all later in the day. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.